Arrays in Java. We know values will be stored in memory location called variables. So consider one scenario, if there are 100 values we want to store, then it requires 100 variables, that is nothing but 100 memory locations we need. So it will be wastage of memory. So if you want to store group of data, that is everything is similar type, means example here it is integer. So we can store all this within one single array. So arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. How to declare this array means by using square brackets. Example, int a square bracket equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write within braces and each value should be separated by commas. Then string str equal to, same like that we need to keep square bracket and then braces, after value should be separated by commas. Now let's see how values are stored in array. For that we have taken one array called A, and in that array there are 9 values inside that. How it will get stored means, for that we need to consider index. So array index will be always starting from 0 and ending value will be the total length of the array minus 1. That is, here we have 9 values inside A array. So total length minus 1 means 8. So from 0 to 8 index values will be there, and 0th index it will store the first element, that is 40. First index it will store 55, like that it will be going. So array length equal to 9, first index equal to 0, last index equal to 8. If you want to access the element of array means we can get that by using index number. So A square bracket we can keep the index number. So A of 0 means it will give us 40. A of 1 means it will give us 55. And if you want to get the total length of the array means we can use A dot length. Let's see one example program for array. For that we have taken cars array. In that cars we have some values. If you want to fetch these values, we can fetch it by using its index number. So cars of 0 if we keep, it will give us Volvo. If we want to fetch 4, cars of 2 we have to give. So by using its index number we can fetch its values. Then to get the length of the array, we need to use cars.length. So it will give us 4 as output, that is from 0 to 3 index.